Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on your Nintendo Switch so people can't see if you're playing or not. So on the home screen here, let's go up to our user page. I'm Timothy. I'm going to go to Timothy's page. Then scroll all the way down to where it says user settings, and then go right. Go all the way down under this list. And we want to go to where it says friend settings. Under here, we should have the option to go to display online status to all friends. Select this, and then we can go to best friends only. Otherwise, no one. So nobody would be able to see if we're online or not. So we can play our games without our friends seeing us online then. And it's very easy to do. So when you want to go ahead and appear online, just come back to this section and you can switch the setting around. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.